Do you know how to talk about things that could have happened in the past but didn't? In this video, you'll learn 30 examples of the third conditional with simple explanations, perfect for improving your grammar and English speaking skills. Structure of third conditional: if plus past perfect, would have plus past participle, third form of verb. Usage: the third conditional is used to talk about unreal or imaginary situations in the past. We use it when something could have happened differently, but it didn't happen, and we are imagining the result. How it works: the if clause condition uses past perfect, that is, had plus past participle. The main clause result uses would have plus past participle. Examples: if I had studied, I would have passed the exam, but I didn't study, so I failed. If she had called, I would have answered. She didn't call, so I didn't answer. If they had left earlier, they would have caught the train. They didn't leave early, so they missed the train. Important points: the if clause always uses past perfect, had plus third form of verb. The result clause uses would have plus V3. It refers to the past, not the present or future. This structure shows regret, hypothetical situations, or criticism about past actions. Common mistake to avoid: the wrong sentence. If I studied, I would have passed. The correct sentence is if I had studied, I would have passed. 33rd conditional sentences.
If I had studied harder, I would have passed the test. If she had called me, I would have answered. If they had left earlier, they would have caught the train. If he had worked harder, he would have got the job. If I had known the truth, I would have told you. If it had rained, we would have stayed inside. If you had helped me, I would have finished on time. If we had taken a taxi, we would have arrived sooner. If I had remembered your birthday, I would have sent a gift. If she had studied medicine, she would have become a doctor. If they had played better, they would have won the match. If I had bought the tickets, we would have gone to the concert. If he had driven carefully, he would have avoided the accident. If we had invited them, they would have come. If you had called earlier, I would have joined you. If I had eaten breakfast, I would not have been hungry. If the sun had shone, we would have gone to the park. If she had spoken politely, they would have helped her. If I had taken the medicine, I would have felt better. If we had worked together, we would have finished sooner. If I had met him, I would have asked for advice. If they had told the truth, we would have trusted them. If he had listened, he would not have made the mistake. If she had tried harder, she would have succeeded. If I had saved money, I would have bought a new phone. If you had checked the map, you would not have got lost. If they had booked the hotel, we would have stayed there. If I had known about the party, I would have gone. If she had driven slowly, the car would not have crashed. If he had apologized, she would have forgiven him.
Great job. Now you know 30 examples of the third conditional to talk about past situations that didn't happen. Comment below with your own example using the third conditional. Like this video and subscribe for more English lessons. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.